Okay, so when we click on Insert, we have some choices. You can insert a text box, image, you can embed content like a website, you can add things from your Google Drive. If you want, you can start with a layout. So here is an image and some writing, image, and writing in different formats. I'm going to create my own. First is I'm going to add a text box. Here I'm going to write evidence of my learning in science this year. So when I add a text box, it's always added as normal text. And you can choose to make that a title, a heading, or a subheading. It's up to you. So I am going to add this as a title just so it's bigger. And I'm also going to center it. And you can choose to make that bold as well. So I'm going to highlight it first and then click on the B to make it bold. I'm going to add an image and I'm going to select the image from Google Drive. So these would be images that you have in Google Drive that are evidence of your learning. So we did Newton's 3 laws, and it's searching my Google Drive for Newton. This is taking a while. So instead of doing that, I'm going to come to Drive and search and Newton there. So that happened much faster, but it's the same search. So here is an image of a project about Newton's 3 laws. And if I move me out of the way here, you can see it says for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. And then here is an example of a project that a student did that is evidence that that student learned one of Newton's laws. So here I'm done searching my Google Drive. I'm going to close that. I'm going to get me out of the way again. And because I want to explain why this is evidence of learning, I'm going to add another text box. So I don't want the text box up here. I want it beside the image. So here you can write examples. This is an example of my learning. And then I would suggest you continue to write about why you believe this is evidence of your learning in Newton's 3 laws. So, see, I clicked here and I can drag this wherever I want. I can put it back up at the top, and here I want to put it beside this image because this paragraph here will be describing this image here. I would also like to add a poster. We did posters for science. So I'm going to go back to my Google Drive. I'm going to search for Mars, for example. And here is a Google slide that is facts about Mars. So you can see that it automatically added that in down here. And I'm going to scroll down a little bit. Whoops-a-daisy. Let's get out of here first. I'm going to scroll down here so we can see that better. We'll be back in a second.